Excellent.
Hello everyone, welcome to Delphi Machine Manufacturing channel. Now we will show you the injector F2P. Model number is 204760. Its another number is DEDJ1D0401. I will show you its nozzle for you. The first one nozzle is model number is Wolf is 24 and the nozzle L516 for injector 204761 DEDJ1D050001 HRE389. This model number is 24. Nozzle number is 0516. For injector model number is 204761. 204761. Now I will show you the second nozzle model number is this one. Wolf is 24 and the nozzle is L589. This for injector model number is 11120110E9500. This Wolf model number is 24. Nozzle number is L589. This is the second model number. Now I will show you another model number is 28503844. Its Wolf is the model number is 27 and the nozzle number is L517. For injector model number is 204760. This injector. This Wolf model number is 27. This nozzle number is L517. We have another model number is Wolf 27. The nozzle number is L543 for F2P injector. Now I will repeat this three nozzle model number for you. The first one is this one. Wolf is 24. And the nozzle is L589. It's for injector 1112010E9500. And the second two model number is nozzle is L516. For injector 2047610 EEEG 1D05001 HRE 389. And the last one, model number is 2850384. Its wolf number is 27. Noodle number is L517. For injector 2047600 BEEG 1D。
你把东西拿出来，拿起来。
BEEG 1D04001。
这纸也。
Its model number is 2047600. Another model number is BEEG 1D04001. This is the spare parts about this injector. Also, we can supply others. Our brand Delphi. Diesel injection parts. This is our brand. And this one, DTC. Also, we can supply tester bench and nozzle, plunger, head router, repair case deliverable, and common wheel simulator, and so on. If you want to learn our more information, you can check our app, CR app. It has two systems, iOS system and Android system. You can download it and find some information about injectors, tester bench, and so on. And you can go to our website. So many you can check more information. Thank you for your watching. Bye.